section 2, and we did a pick and place, and a sorting method. And so what we do, we have when this cobot passes an item along, it latches it in our PLC. Then at each sensor, it will pick up based on which item is latched and which sensor it's placed on. Um,
I'm Mario. I'm the other engineer working on this, and what I did was the PLC part, and the sensors act as a like an input, which then communicates with the cobot. And we ended up going with three sensors. One at the since we have like three different types of items, so we have this first sensor over here, and then the second one, and then the third one over here. What I also implemented was a physical button, which is acts as like a start, stop, and then emergency button, because that's the standard. But yeah, and then if I run it, and then that's acts as a emergency stop. And then I'm gonna pass it to Wade, who worked on the cobot.
Yeah, hello. My name is Wedley Richard, and I worked also in the project. I basically work with the Cobalt, made a program. We work with those items, those two different items. My part of the project was to pick those items from that stack. That robot put it in the conveyor belt, and our robot just reads it from the specific location, which is different sensors for each different location, which is sensor 1, sensor 2, and sensor 3. Whenever item 1 goes to sensor 1, it would latch it and trigger the second Cobalt arm to pick it up and stack it over here. Same thing for item 2, and same thing for item 3. Thank you.